The American chestnut colt Sparkle Diamond chalked up his third consecutive victory after winning the restricted stakes contest. This was over the 5-straight course on Tuesday's Independence Day program at Caymanas Park. Now, this latest victory has pushed him into overnight allowance company as his connections target November's Diamond Mile. The much-talked-about 3-year-old American Sparkle Diamond has produced some fast times in winning his previous 2 races from 5 to 5.5 furlongs, so the connections were hoping for a similar performance over the straight course. However, the far-striding colt missed the break and found himself 5 lengths behind the field, so Triple Crown winning jockey Shane Ellis had some work to do in the last 4 furlongs.
Splendid Vision continues to race onto the stands, but Sparkle Diamond now hits top gear as they're in the last quarter, and it is Sparkle Diamond just the leader. Boulder Flare now being switched to the inside as Sparkle Diamond heads home. Sparkle Diamond arriving at the furlong pole with that lead. Boulder Flare chasing on onto the left-hand stick. Rojon the Pilot and Lady Blue on the far side, but it is Sparkle Diamond in control. Splendid Vision is running a good race onto the stands, but Sparkle Diamond pushed out will take it on to Shane Ellis. They win by maybe 3 over Boulder Flare. Close between Splendid Vision wide of Lady Blue.
Sparkle Diamond won by 2 3/4 lengths, posting 59 2/5, a time which will not be impressive going up against the overnight allowance company. However, Ellis says Diamond Mile hopes remain alive for the American.
I know he's a better horse going longer, and the 5 straight wasn't his best distance. Even though he seen him win 5 rounds and 5.5, I know he's a pacer because I get on him every morning, so I know him, and I know he's a very, very good horse. And he just wants the distance, and as soon as he gets the distance, then he'll show that he's 100% up the alley for the Diamond Mile.
Meanwhile, champion jockey Anthony Thomas aboard Chief Prospect skillfully outrode Kerry Gale Robinson aboard the 4 to 5 favourite Bay Commander to capture the Independence Day Stakes trophy over a mile. Both jockeys were locked in a keen duel in the stretch drive.
The hammer is down, and Bay Commander now gets the stick in the right hand as they leave the 3/16th. Chief Prospect asked to try and get to him. Toward the outside, Batidor de Mundo and War Hero has progressed on the rail, but it is Bay Commander and Kerry Gale Robinson. Here is Chief Prospect now slicing into the lead. Bay Commander and Chief Prospect now gets up. Anthony Thomas and Chief Prospect will win it over Bay Commander. Batidor de Mundo. War Hero is 4th.
Trainer Michael Francis said he was very confident of winning the event after the good start Chief Prospect got.
As long as he stayed close to the 7 horse, I know if we pace him and try to stay close to him and hound him, I thought, we would get the better of him at the end of the race.